Oh, with the letters, the balloons and then stuff like that. Well, I think a card. Yeah, it's just two info.
Please ignore the sick by my side. Bye then. Bye. Bye. Bless you. And back to the hiccups.
Can we do it again?
Shake your rattle.
Can we do it again?
There we go. Oh,
Yeah.
Gonna drop my rattle. Oh,
No.
She's grabbing it. Oh,
Very
your
good.
rattle.
There we go.
I'm dancing
How
and
does this
shaking
work?
your rattle.
She hasn't dropped it for ages, has she? Yeah. And we've got hiccups and we're running with Ducati socks on. Yeah. Special Ducati socks.
And we're shaking our rattle.
And we're shaking our rattle. What a morning.
Look at you walking, Tickle. You're so clever. Yeah, so clever. Yeah. We're walking to the park. We are, aren't we? Quite a long way to go. It's all the way over there. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing really well. Yeah. Keep walking. Good girl. So, Yasmin, now that we can walk to wherever we want to walk to, which one are we going to play on first? That one? Well, how about this one? Do you want to come and play on this one? That's it. Oh. What do you reckon? Does that seem like a good idea? No? I tell you what we're going for. We're going for the roundabout. Oh yeah. Come on, roundabout. You can't see, can you? Your hat's dropped down again. It's a shame.
Hello.
I'm just doing more bouncy bouncy.
Yeah. How can we stop that?
I put it to riot. I put it to riot. I put it to riot. I put it to riot.
Come here a sec. You going to show me what you've been eating in your bed? What have you been eating?
What was that? Where is that? Did that come from Santa Claus? Did it? Was that a good Christmas morning, Yasmin? Yeah.
Have you got a snowman, Pete?
Look,
Yeah.
who's
Look at your feet.
that? We got snowman boots.
Yay. Cool, we've got an awful lot of presents. Is that good?
What have you got then? Yeah, you've got that.
You've got gold coins. And you got this little Miss Chatterbox. So Yasmin single-handedly
Move the beach.
moving the beach for the people of Cape Town. You splash, splash, splash.
Please, splash, splash. Please, please, please.
There's Yasmin trying to get rid of a shadow.
Is it chasing you, honey? Is this shadow trying to get away with you? Yeah? Is this shadow still with you?
Where's he gone?
Where's he gone?
He's still there.
Where's the shadow? Again. Splish splash. Cool. You're going to disappear in that one. Look at me, Yasmin. Give me a smile. Yasmin. This way. Give me cheese. No. Too busy. Go and jump them. Jump the waves. Here's a big one. Here comes another one. You gotta jump the waves. Whoa. 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 It's right behind you. That's a big one. Ooh.